State management anti-patterns. Terraform state records infrastructure identity. That identity connects Terraform addresses to real cloud objects. Terraform loses certainty when state becomes corrupted or missing. A broken state file removes Terraform's memory of prior actions. Terraform then compares code against incomplete infrastructure knowledge. Incomplete knowledge creates unsafe execution decisions. Local state stores infrastructure memory on one workstation. One workstation creates one isolated operational viewpoint. A teammate cannot verify infrastructure from another machine. A CI pipeline cannot inherit trusted state automatically. Multiple isolated copies produce conflicting infrastructure decisions. Conflicting decisions increase replacement and drift risks. A remote backend centralizes infrastructure memory. Centralized memory gives every runner the same state reference. S3 stores the shared state object. Use log file creates temporary write protection during operations. Write protection prevents simultaneous state modification. One active writer reduces corruption probability. Terraform state is an operational database. Manual editing bypasses Terraform validation behavior. A modified address changes infrastructure identity mapping. A modified ID can redirect Terraform toward another object. Terraform trusts the state file during future plans. One incorrect entry can trigger destructive replacement behavior. Submarine watch teams depended on trusted logs during casualties. One incorrect log entry redirected operators toward the wrong failure. The procedure remained correct. The shared memory became wrong. Terraform state creates the same operational dependency. Bad memory converts correct workflows into unsafe actions. Terraform stores resource arguments inside state. Sensitive outputs only hide terminal display values. Sensitive marking does not remove stored state content. Anyone with state access can recover stored secret values. State access therefore becomes privileged secret access. Weak state protection expands credential exposure risks. Remote state exposes another stack's infrastructure memory. Consumers usually require only one exported value. Direct remote state access exposes unrelated infrastructure details. SSM parameters create narrow communication boundaries. Narrow boundaries reduce accidental dependency growth. Smaller dependency surfaces reduce operational coupling. Terraform state tracks resource addresses over time. Unstable keys create unstable resource identity. Terraform interprets missing keys as removed infrastructure. Terraform interprets new keys as replacement infrastructure. Replacement behavior increases unnecessary infrastructure churn. Stable keys preserve long-term state continuity. One state file should represent one environment boundary. Mixed environments share one operational blast radius. A production mistake can enter a development workflow. Separate backend keys isolate infrastructure memory. Isolated memory reduces cross-environment damage. Smaller blast radius improves operational recovery.